You would never build a house just by buying random materials solely for the fact that you think it looks nice. So why do most people build their investment portfolios like that? Most retail investors shop for assets, whatever's trending, whatever they saw on Twitter or Reddit, whatever that they think is going to be their next lottery ticket. But institutions don't start with the asset, they start with the function. So essentially, they're asking themselves the question, what return characteristic is missing in my portfolio right now? Because different assets have different jobs, just like construction materials. So for example, real estate is traditionally mapped to income and inflation resilience. Private equity is tied to long-term growth through illiquidity premiums. Commodities are protection against supply-driven price shocks. And lastly, crypto is more so serving for asymmetric growth potential and digital network effects, meaning the more users, developers, or integrations that join this network, the utility and potential value scale exponentially. Once you identify the purpose, the asset becomes way more obvious. It's just like how you wouldn't use marble to replace a missing support beam. When you think in frameworks, asset selection becomes more of a design variable rather than a hype or trend-driven decision. So it's time to stop thinking like a shopper and start thinking like an architect when it comes to your investment portfolios. On Surmount, you can engineer your own ETF-style strategy using no code or Python. Or if you'd rather skip the design phase, you can choose from diversified, expert-built portfolios across multiple asset classes and invest in seconds.